Shush. Hey, y'all. Okay, so we are going to make the biggest, tallest.
We are.
Yeah, we think we are going to make the tallest Hot Wheels track in the U.S. So it's gonna go. Well, approximately, it would go like all the way to down there from here, Angus. So we're actually gonna make it all the way from down here, Angus. Cause like that's gonna be bigger. Know what I mean? Yeah. So we are either gonna put it up here or we're gonna put it down there. So which one do you want to do?
Let's do it up here so it gets more boost.
Okay. So we're gonna do it down there. And this is hopefully gonna be at least the second tallest.
Wait, no,
Hot Wheels
look.
track. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to be taking the camera with me down there so we can like connect them, like the Hot Wheels tracks together, like the top ones and the bottom ones. And Angus is gonna hold it, and then they're gonna zoom off.
We're going to like zoom off.
Yeah.
We're going to zoom off here.
Yeah.
And then it's just going to crash.
Okay, guys, come with me to get my shoes on, because I don't want to hurt my feet.
I'm fine if I hold my feet.
Well, because they're up there.
I'm kind of
Okay. My room is so clean. I just need to find my shoes. My lighting's terrible in here. What the heck? I have a camera thing, but I'm just not gonna use it. Maybe it's because I rubbed my finger on my camera. That's probably why. I don't care if I don't have socks on. Okay, let's go back outside. Okay, so I'm gonna go back outside. As you can see, my lighting went from rainy to bomb. So that was weird. Angus?
What?
Okay, good.
I got the outside test door.
Okay, by the way, I think we're gonna put this one on the other side so we can make it longer. Ow, my butt just got hurt.
Okay.
So we're gonna disconnect this track and like put this track right there.
Wait, you need that track. You need that track.
This one? Or that one?
That one.
Yeah, we're not gonna disconnect that one. It's good. Yeah, forget that I said that. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna disconnect this track and put it over here to make it longer. You know what I mean?
The track is way too long. It went under that.
Yeah. So we're gonna make it longer. So we're gonna disconnect
So
this.
we're gonna make that part longer.
No, we're not making that part longer because we're gonna make the tallest one.
No, Stereo, you're making the car go under this.
Oh well, no, we're not.
Yeah, you were.
No, we're not going to though. Okay, understand? All right, so I'm gonna go down.
See, we need boots. And the loop-de-loop does boost, okay?
Exactly. We're gonna put the boost. We're gonna put the boost right there, but it's not gonna be a long track, okay? You understand?
Why?
Because the long track.
That's the whole point. It's going to get more speed.
No, Angus, it's gonna get more speed if it's shorter, because then we're gonna have a ginormous drop. Understand?
No, it's going to launch off
It's the tallest. It's the tallest.
It's going to launch off of that.
Exactly. we're gonna connect this one to that one, okay? So
I'll just forget that happened.
yeah, so just
Put a little half shoulder.
yeah, cause I'm gonna go downstairs with this one. Y'all like the creek? It's very pretty. Okay, so I'm down here. So Angus, connect that. So basically what?
I did.
No, connect the bigger one to the drop one. Okay?
Why?
Because we're gonna make the longest,
Oh, the longest drop down?
yeah, the longest drop down. Didn't you know that? Silly Angus.
I thought you meant the longest drop.
Yeah, the longest, like the tallest, slash longest, slash whatever. So basically what you're gonna do is you're gonna narrow that so it can go like.
Wait. CW. So give me the long track.
I'm gonna yeet it up to you.
No, don't eat it. Just let me have it. It's long.
So connect that, and then also get another. I guess can you pass me another long track, so I can put it like that?
There's no such thing as long track.
A longer track than like a long track, okay?
There's no longer track.
I'll just get a bunch of
All the other tracks are pretty short.
get a bunch of short tracks, okay? Just get all of them.
Siri, can you lift this one up? Yeah, it's possible. Okay, now lift it up right where that came. Actually, this is good. This is good. This is probably pretty good. No, don't connect that.
That's not the longest drop
It
though.
was good.
No, we're gonna make it with more tracks.
Let's do one shoulder.
All right, so I'm gonna connect that. So I'm just gonna put this down.
My car was waiting.
I'm so tall. I'm like so short.
Why do you leave your phone like that?
Oh.
Now the viewers are just going to see the bricks.
No, I put it on the other side. All right, so can you pass me a couple of connectors so I can do that?
I only have one spare.
Okay.
Actually,
well,
no, I have 0 spare.
go get more from inside, okay?
There's no more. That's all.
Okay.
Actually,
Okay. So Angus is going to go get some Hot Wheels tracks. So yeah. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to us.
Okay. In 3,
All right, guys, look.
3, 2, 1. Ah, dang, it messed up.
Okay.
3, 2, 1. Dang it messed up again.
Okay.
3, 2, 1. Oh, I forgot to fix the loopy.
Ah, Angus. All right, so it's gonna like drop all the way down there. It's kind of cool.
Hopefully. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1.
Woo!
What did it land? Oh.
I landed in there. So it landed right here.
It goes with the soil.
Yeah. Okay. So guys.
Make sure to like and subscribe, turn the notifications on,
And
so you won't miss another upload.
and also guys, remember to notify if you're like Guinness World Records or something. Remember to notify them because this can be one of the longest tracks or the tallest track drops for Hot Wheels in the USA. So I'm gonna go up to Angus and we're gonna say bye.
I found some random earbuds.
Okay. Bye.